I grew up in a time and place where preventive dentistry was just not really done. You went to the dentist when you had a toothache, which of course was too late. And this resulted in my entering high school with cavities in just about every tooth. But really went through my life with a lot of teeth, with a lot of holes that had to be filled and refilled and bonded. I'd had a lot of procedures on them. A lot of them were different colors and there were chips and just things wrong about them. They didn't match. I've never liked to be photographed, and I always had a, no teeth kind of a smile. So I decided that I would get a Smile Makeover. First, Dr. Jackson looked at my teeth and to see if I would be a good candidate, to make sure things would go right. And he said, I think we can get a good result, and he certainly did, I'll tell you that. Then I worked with some of the other team members as far as choosing colors, choosing translucency. When I had my temporaries in, the first step is they were all done at once. 15 crowns were all done, and molds made to make my permanent crowns were sent off. And I really was not prepared for how much I would like them when I looked at them. I knew it would be great, but just looking, and those were just the temporaries. I would have been thrilled with those. And they told me, they said, your permanents are going to be much better. And I've become very vain about my teeth now. I told Dr. Jackson that I spent more time looking in the mirror the past 2 months than I have my whole life looking at my teeth. I find that I'm much more outgoing, much more likely to strike up a conversation with somebody. I'm in a better mood. I feel better about myself and about life in general. It's really been a big boost. It's a life changer, no doubt about it.